All right. We good? We back? We back? All right, W. Whoa! I can't tell you what just happened. Hold on, let me send a Zoom link out. 1 sec. Yeah, that was interesting. End it. End it. All right. Perfect. Yeah, that was interesting. I don't know what happened there, chat. Glitch. We back. No stress. Don't stress. All right, cool. All right, well, being that we are back and there is a 4-hour closure coming up here, why don't we just kind of do a fresh top-down analysis anyway to get a little bit of a better read here on price. You guys down? So let's take a look and let's just see where we're at, right? So at this point now, the daily candle has flipped bullish and we are starting to pump up here, right? So we may move up here. Like I was saying before the stream went down, this could be hold on. Yeah, there it is. This could be where our daily candle moves up and we create this higher low now, right? Somewhere looking something like this, and there's no top wick on that previous bearish candle as well. So this could be where our daily candle does begin to move up from. So let's keep an eye on this. Buys are beginning to look better and better as the session goes on. 4-hour candle has a resistance right here, right? So if that 4-hour candle can close above, that will be extremely good confirmation for us to move up towards 58. So let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour is a bit choppy still. I still think the buys are best above 46 here on the 1 hour chart. And then, yeah, you're just in a bit of a mess, man. Bit of a mess. I think if you can close, right? Well, we got to wait for this candle to close here. But depending on what happens now, right, at this level, if you close back below, then price may move down here, right, to go ahead and fill that wick down there. And I think that's the range that I'm going to stick with here now. So if you can get a closure above here, you've got clean buys for like 90 pips of just straight clean traffic there. We want to see if this news candle can push us through all of the mess to the left-hand side. That's the big thing. If we can push through this and this and this here with news, that would be great. But it doesn't seem like that's happening just yet. So we got to get above there. We got to get above there for me to take a position. So I would look for buys above 46 here, and then look, potential sells now below 40. Or potential impulse entry, right? But we got to wait. We have to wait for this 4-hour candle to close, and then we could kind of go from there. We've got about 14 minutes left on that. So that's kind of like where we stand now. We could kind of use this range coming down as a target here, you know, to fill that wick. But the closure has to be below 40 here, 23.40. So yeah, let's get a read on how this 4-hour candle wants to close, and then we'll kind of see if all this makes sense from there. You smell me? You smell me? All right, that's it. Boom. Did anybody take the buys? Anybody? Yeah, because if you get a closure back below, then this was a random news move that will most likely have to be corrected. Right, so if you can get closures back below here, then I think we have a good shot at coming down to fill in that wick. Right, other than that, I like buys above 46, and then we got very clean, you know, 90 pips of clean traffic there. So that's it. Interesting. That would also be, so like if we do get a closure below there, that's also the 4 hour now, either not closing above the range or potentially right at it, getting a potential fake out for price to move down. So yeah, these all make sense. We just need the closure, and then we need some volume. The Matrix took John, man. I don't know where he went. Nah, he's right here. Let's pull him up.
They can never.
Never.
Never. I got crisis protection over me. Big chillin'.
W.
Big dubs. Come on.
So yeah, Chad, I took a buy while we did that. You know what I mean? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I took a sell. No.
Anyways, just got 50 pips on this buy position.
Facts. I'm out. Peace.
Me and John are gonna go for a walk now.
Shout out the Matrix.
I agree with you, Lorenzo. Yep. Hey, yep. Don't ever leave. Hey, Cookie's in the house. What's up, Cookie? What up, Cookie?
Gold Busters. You know the vibes, Gold Busters?
What's a W? It's a double U. It's you, only doubled. W. You are a W, my friend. Gold Busters. Let's get it. What's up, my man? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm feeling a monster trade.
Yeah, we're gonna get a we're gonna take the best trade of our life here today, chat.
Oh yeah.
Just wait on it. Best trade of our life.
Louis G. Poppin'.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy. You're not that guy, pal. It's actually, yo, that is true. It actually is a double V. Or, depending on how you draw your W's. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You're right. It is a double V.
Well, this is a U. And then this is a W. Unless you draw your W's like...
But
I think I draw my W's like
that
too sometimes.
If you draw your W like a U, then you just don't know how to draw a W.
You're probably a lefty, like me. What's the strategy? You're new here? There is no strategy.
I have no strategy.
There's
zero strategy.
There's zero. Zip. Nada. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you fall short of this resistance here while you're in this rejection zone, look what happened last time, right? Price pushed up and then we drove all the way down, back down here on the 4 hour. Same thing with the 1 hour. If you're in this choppy area, chances are this next 1 hour candle may struggle here, right? And actually get pushed down. And same thing with the 30-minute time frame. So we'll see. We'll see. We got 9 minutes left. Or you need to go back to grade 1. Damn. Damn, son.
It,
2 L's turn into a W? Let's do it. 2 L's. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Looks like an F. Sideways F, though. There it is. W. $43 strong, 43 strong. Yep, it's because you got all this nasty, this right here to the left. That's an F.
Hey, yo, what up, Landon? It's good, bro.
Landon.
Landon.
Best book for trading. Price action or psychology? Which one? Which one you want to work on? You want to get your head right or you want to get your technicals right? Talk to me. Talk to me. Good morning. What up, George? George Wissa in the building.
Good, George.
Best books on trading. This is the best book on trading right here. Show up to the charts day in and day out. And this is the best book you can read right here. There's nothing I or any other author is going to be able to tell you that you can't find right here. You just got to read every day, every day.
Yeah, I agree.
Have you read The Best Loser Wins? Yeah, I did. I actually listened to that one on Audible. That's like the first book I ever listened to on Audible.
I haven't read that, but that sounds like a book I should read.
My go-to book when it comes to trading is The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. That's the best book I've ever read on trading. Although I've only read 2 or 3 books on trading, that's the best one in my opinion.
Some other books that I heard are really good that
Rafi's
I haven't read yet are The Mental Game of Trading, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, The Disciplined Trader, One Good Trade, and The Playbook. You should check all those out.
Top of the morning, Spence. How you doing? How you doing? Let me get Rafi. Rafi's here. Let's get Rafi.
Rafi.
There he is. There he is. All right. What up, Rafi?
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
You're what's going on,
John?
bro.
Hopping, brother.
Yo,
You're
I'm
what's
excited,
going on.
man. So I got a call at 9 here, and he got canceled. So I'm back
lit.
in the game.
Oh, nice.
Let's get it.
Fire.
Yeah.
Hopefully we stay in the
So
game, man.
how you boys doing?
Good,
Nah,
man.
we're
We already
here.
had a
Volume's about to come in.
we already had a matrix attack, so we'll see if we can hold strong here for the remainder of the session.
No
bro.
way. What happened?
I don't know, man. Everything just went blank.
Blacked out.
Oh, no way again?
I heard a knock on the door. Open the door. There was an
Yeah.
envelope there, and I cannot even tell you what it says. Can't even tell you what it says. Yeah,
That sucks.
scary.
But we
Good
back.
morning, chat. What we got over here? We got everybody in the house, don't we?
Oh, the whole crew's here. You know that. 8 figures. 8
Time to
figures.
catch up on the text messages over here. Let me see who we got here, bro.
8-figure traders in the house.
Woo. How was your weekend, bro?
It was great, man. It seems like we're about to head into the next weekend already. Crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, so we have a chef here, right? And she was like, yeah, like tomorrow. And she's talking like tomorrow's the last day. I'm like, tomorrow? What are you talking about? She's like, yeah, tomorrow's Friday. And I looked.
right?
I'm like, it's Thursday. I'm like, what? Yeah, bro. Like, what
How's it
happened?
Friday?
I'd be flying.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Need to
man.
pump the brakes on this.
Pump the brakes on this week. Nah, it's been a good week. Short week, but a good week.
Yeah.
Which broker? Any recommendations? I use a broker called Trade08 when it comes to, I have a futures broker here that I use, and it's called Trade08. So you can look into that one, George. I like Trade08 because I like placing trades right here on TradingView now, and you can hook it up, and it's pretty dope. NASDAQ pumped here.
Those are nice buys on that.
Yeah, but where?
It's the 1 hour celery.
Oh, 1 hour? Oh, yeah. Nice.
See, if NAS can be like that, then maybe we'll have some action with it.
Action. Lights, camera, action. Yeah. How's your day, Rafi? Pretty good?
Yeah, man, busy. It's been busy, man. Just feels like I haven't been able to do much in London. Like I've been kind of like, all right, I need to get going, and then when I leave, moves happen, and it's just funny. But yeah, man, it's been good. It just baseball season is here, and yeah, it's just keeping me busy, man.
Facts.
Fire. It's grind time.
I saw the Royals were in town, bro. You guys brought
Tampa?
Yeah. They went into town.
Oh,
They
no
were
way.
at Tampa, like I think like a couple days ago. Yeah.
The
Oh,
Orioles?
damn.
Yeah, I was just
They're
looking at
pretty good, right? The Royals.
Oh, the
no,
Royals.
the Royals. Yeah,
Oh, the Royals.
they're doing pretty good this year. Yeah.
You're a fan of them, right?
No, my guy plays with them.
Oh, okay.
The guy who I worked with before I came here to Bali, he still plays with them.
Gotcha. Do you have like a favorite team?
Nah, bro, I'm not from here. I mean, I'm
Okay.
not from the U.S., so it's really
Yeah,
hard
no.
for me to say like, oh, I'm, from the Yankees or something.
Ah, but what's the team that pops up right away? The Yankees, man. Pure
The Yankees
dominance.
are
Yo,
legendary.
because I got
MLB.
so because when I was in Venezuela, like the first team that I signed was the Houston Astros,
Uh-huh.
and then after that I signed with the Yankees,
Yeah.
and then I came
Wow,
to
really?
college.
Damn.
So like, those are the two connections that I have.
Yeah, Yankees, man. Yankee fans are everywhere, bro. Everywhere.
Yeah. They really are.
Even here, bro. That's all you see here. You see here either Yankees hat or a Dodgers hat.
Yeah. No
Those are the
Royals.
two most popular teams.
Yeah.
Good books
Yeah.
on price action. I don't really know, man. I never really read. There's a book called
Forward testing.
Naked Trading or something. Naked Trading. I think that one's probably. I haven't read that one. I think Green read that. Green, are you here today? If you're here, speak up, Green.
Green.
Go Braves! Oh man, I remember. I have family that lives in Atlanta all my life. So like, you remember back in like in the '90s when it was the Yankees versus the Braves, dude. Like almost every that was
Frank
crazy
McGriff?
competition. You had what's that one dude's name? Chipper Jones. Chipper Jones, man. Yeah. What a
Chipper
time.
Jones.
What a
That's
time.
Joe's favorite player.
Really?
I remember me trying to get his haircut, bro. My hair is not his hair, and it was just a shit show.
Yeah, I wish I would have seen that, man. The barber's probably like,
Yeah.
"You sure you want to do that, bro?"
Yeah, I was like, he's a white blonde man, yo. Like you know, no, it's not your hair type. Like, just do it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was like when I went into the barbershop. I'm like, "Yo, give me them Jerry curl things, bro." He's like, "Yo. You don't do the Jerry curl thing, bro." I was like, nah. I'm sure it'll look good. Hey, my brother Joe had braids in his hair. That was crazy. Man had straight
Facts.
cornrows.
It was a G. Yo, got a trade. What's up, Ben? That's crazy. I actually might be at the game when you're at the game. If that's the case, I'll hit you up.
Which game is that?
June 23rd. He's going to the Yankee game, June 23rd.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Bro, that stadium is. Have you been in the new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, bro, you were in both the old one and the new one.
Yeah. The new. I've been in both of them. Yep.
I never
That's
went to the old one.
legendary, bro. Not a lot of people have done that.
I know.
Yeah.
Would you like their stadium, right? I feel like the Yankees have a classic stadium.
Classic.
Yeah.
It's just crazy because the Yankee Stadium, bro. When you get in there, it's a different energy overall.
Oh, bro.
Oh my God, for sure.
It's like it's class. It's like you're there, and it's just like it's different.
It's a class act over there.
Hell yeah, bro. That's why they're gonna re-sign him on Soto.
Out of all those stadiums, bro, in my opinion, my favorite, besides the Kansas City one, Baltimore Orioles, bro.
Yeah,
Really?
I haven't been to
stadium.
that one. I stayed at a hotel where the gym was basically the Orioles. Like I could see the whole game from the gym. It was sick, dude.
Oh, so you were at that hotel right next door.
Yeah,
Like
the one
there's
behind.
a hotel
Yeah,
that all the rooms
big
you look to it.
hotel. Big hotel. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, man, that was great. Camden Yards. Dude, there's a lot of homeless people out there, man. Right in that
Yeah.
area, it's crazy. I've been down there like a bunch of times for some other businesses that I was running. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
fun. Camden Yards, it's a nice field. Interesting here. There may be a impulse entry. I kind of want to see a closure back in, but let's see what happens come 9:15 here. Remember, the 4 hour is stuck now, right? So we don't know if we want to continue pushing through here. We've rejected it multiple times. I don't want to be too early here because I like the idea. I just don't want to be a little too early on it. I also don't want to be too late either, right? But we do have 11 minutes left on this current 15-minute candle. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, let me give this a few minutes. There may be an opportunity here to have some sort of an impulse trade. The Sandlot. The Sandlot.
I don't mind waiting for the 15.
Yeah, one of my goals, or one of my list. I have a list of dreams. Like I encourage you guys to do this, right? My mentor would call it the hundred list, right? The list of 100 dreams, and you write all these things down, man. You let your mind soar, and yeah, traveling to all the MLB stadiums and watching games in all the stadiums is on the list. How many guys would just like to do that with your time and money? Just go whatever favorite sport you got, just go and travel to stadium, right? Game to game.
Pretty dope.
Yeah,
That's something that I
want
wanted to do, bro. I'm like 4 or 5 short.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you've been to most of them. Well, you probably
yeah,
have been to most
a
of
lot
them
of them.
working in the industry.
Yeah, I'm lucky. I'm lucky that I got to do that, but I still didn't go to all of them because we didn't like the teams that I wanted to go to. They came to us, so it was like, you know what I'm saying?
Yep. Final Four. Yeah, my mentor would go to all the Final Four games, and it's just crazy, man. Crazy. Could do a lot. Yeah, I kind of like this here. I like this. It's still 9:05. I'd really like to wait for 9:15 here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do.
This is trading on the spot decisions. Got to be able to perform.
Yeah.
On the spot.
Yeah, I think we're gonna wait here, or I'm gonna wait. Yeah, go ahead and make your list of 100 dreams, man. Go ahead and do it. I could read you guys a few of mine. Get your brain going. Get your brain dreaming. Wow. Yeah, it's so cool to like look at some of them and they're already accomplished. You know, and then there's so many more. So many more. How about whitewater rafting through the Nile River?
Ooh. Didn't even think about that, bro.
I know. I know. Wow. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't execute yet. Gonna wait on the 15 closure here. Yeah, going to every playoff game. Valentine's
Bro,
Day
have
at
you
the
been in a
Eiffel
playoff
Tower.
game?
Yeah, I've been to playoffs. Yep.
Which one?
Oh,
Yankees?
he's been to
Yankees.
some crazy.
Yeah, all
games.
Yankees.
Oh, sick.
The best.
Bro,
October baseball is a different ball game, bro.
Oh nah, it's different.
hell yeah.
Different.
Especially
Different.
when you're an underdog.
Yes.
And especially when you're the Yankee, when you're at the Yankee Stadium for the playoffs. Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy Yankee games. Am I trading on gold? Yes, this is gold. Yeah, gonna wait on this this 15 closure here. Crazy, crazy. All right. Anyway, yeah. So let's wait on the 15. We're in this rejection area. The impulse entry makes sense. I'm not gonna take it on the 30-minute here on the break of its own low. I think I'm gonna wait here. We got 4 minutes on this 15 closure and then go from there. Yeah. So gotta sacrifice some of these pips here for a closure. What up, Green?
Greenery.
What's good? Bro, that's crazy. I cannot find. Oh, here it is. Yeah, live in a lake house, buy a beach house, go to Switzerland, Thailand,
Hell
impact over 100,000 people. Trip of the month with my wife. How many of y'all husbands, how many of you guys want to do a trip of the month with your wife? Just every
I'm
month,
fine.
it's just a trip of the month. Go to NBA
Or is that
finals.
a trip for the month? Or is that like a trip a month?
A trip a month. Yeah, the trip of the month. Every month.
Love
12
it.
trips a year.
Love it. Fire.
Stanley
Sounds
Cup.
gas.
Go to the Stanley Cup. Start a church. Donate to children's hospitals. One of my biggest dream was to be able to take my kids and go on Christmas Day to, you know, or even the week coming up to Christmas and go to children's hospitals and be able to teach my kids that, you know, that's Christmas isn't about just like, you know, getting random gifts. It's about, you know, outside of the spiritual side, it's more so living is about giving, right? So teach them and kind of bring them up in this giving mentality, and doing something nice for, you know, kids that really can't be at home with their families and stuff. Go to Fiji. Hey, look at this, gang. I had one goal. It was to sleep in at one time. Sleep in.
Would you do that now?
Yeah. Nah, now I wouldn't do it. $100 tip club everywhere you go. no matter what the bill is, you tip $100, whether it's a cup of coffee or whether it's a big, you know, steak dinner, you always tip at least 100. I think when I made that, $100 was actually a lot of money, but now it doesn't seem like it's too much money.
Yo, that's one I have too.
Oh. Yeah, there's a lot. I can give you guys a lot of good ideas, man. Upgrade wedding ring, Christmas in Aspen, Colorado. 20K shopping spree for Anna. How you doing? I want to do a wiffle ball stadium. So I want to have a backyard big enough to build a wiffle ball stadium. Yeah, invite Rafi.
Yeah, bro.
over.
One of my old middle.
We need to do
one of my old middle
CTE tournament.
Hell yeah, bro. One of my old middle school friends had a wiffle ball stadium in his backyard, and that was always sick playing there.
That's fire. Yeah. Skydive. Maureen Lake. You guys know where that is in Alberta? Am I saying that right? Maureen Lake. Yeah. I want to go to the prisons. I want to speak to men and women in the prisons. Speak with them about Christ. Airboat rides, scuba dive the Great Barrier Reef, zip line off the Great Wall of China, travel to Dubai, man, helicopter rides into the Grand Canyon, dinner at the Eiffel Tower there in Paris, make a Cribs video, like an MTV Cribs video, castle hunting in Scotland and Normandy in helicopters, helicopter over a volcano.
Fire.
Travel to Kenya to go see some safaris. What do you think? I get one of them is get a massage once a week. How you doing?
Oh, bro, you just moved to Bali, bro.
Once a day. You wake up, they're already massaging.
You get him every
Twice a
week,
day.
bro.
Facts.
We have a person when you send him a text message to come to your villa. They just do it here. You don't even have to go.
Damn,
Just pull up.
that's fire.
We're on the way. All right, 30-minute travel and back up. That's no surprise, right? We've seen this happen a few times. Like, if you re-break that low now, I think it's going to go. But we got to wait here because we're still in this nasty area. 15 did close, by the way, and it closed at no top wick there. So, yeah, because remember last time we kind of got tapped in and stops were sitting above the highs here, and it kind of came back up. And then once it re-broke the low, it started to drive at that point. That may be what you see here again today. So, and then the 15 now close it with no top wick. It's pretty interesting. Gotta put the pieces together. You know, it's a puzzle here. So just gotta wait. We don't have a clear picture yet of where we want to go. Hey, now I could add some dreams there, man. Cause now I want to play on golf courses all over the world.
Yeah. So many golf courses out, bro. Like, there's one over here. Yo, you know who, what's his name? He's a big trader. He goes there all the time, bro. Like,
Does he
I
live
forgot his
stream?
name. Yeah. Cameron Foos.
Oh, Cameron. Yeah.
He goes there all the time, bro.
Nice. That's
Yeah,
right. You bump
he's
into
a big
him over
golfer.
there. He golfs?
Yeah, he goes to the same gym that I go to.
Oh, nice.
Bro, golfs all the time. He trades and golfs. He has a whole electronic thing of golfing in his house here.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna short gold here in a few minutes when we break that low. If we break the low. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Same trade as yesterday here. And Tuesday and Friday. Yeah, because right now we seem to be. Let's take a look at each time frame. Right, so 4 hour. Let's get rid of this. So the 4 hour did close strong bullish, right? But we did close below this range, right? And we also have a bunch of rejections right in this range as well, right? Last one being the last candle here. You also look left and you have rejections here as well. So this is a pretty high level of rejection, basically rejecting off that support there. So that's what's going on in the 4 hour, right? We go to the 1 hour too now. So the 1 hour here never really closed above these levels, right? You have resistance, resistance, resistance. I think the cleanest buy is going to be above the yellow, right? The yellow resistance here. But we seem to be rejecting, right? Rejecting this area here. So rejections on the 4 hour, rejections on the 1 hour. 30-minute has to deal with this chop as well, right? So it's struggling to get past there. So if you re-break that low after failing to fill that wick and break the high, then there's a high chance you're going to come down to at least give this candle a bottom wick and then potentially fill that wick right there. So entries at the break of the low are pretty valid here, based off of what we've seen over the last couple days, right? And couple months here. So that's kind of like my views on this idea of going short, and we'll see if it'll play out. Yeah, we'll see if it'll happen. You're struggling here. You may do something like this on the 15, which is close back below that range, right? And if you do close back below, then most likely you will see a drive down. You should give those candles their own bottom wicks and potentially fill that wick, which is that same wick on the 30-minute time frame. Right here.
Makes sense.
Same thing, same exact trades from the other days. So, but just because we've won a bunch of them doesn't mean we'll win this one, right? So risk up and size up accordingly, and yeah. Let's see here. How do you journal your trades? I journal my trades right here. I use this journal. If you want, you can use it too. It's a free journal. And yeah, just put, I track the times I trade, the dates, the pair, is it a buy or sell, right? My setup, which setup did I take? Which entry did I take? What time frame did I take it off of? How much did I risk? How much pips did I collect? And what percentage did I either make or lose? And then I just put if it's a win or a loss. That's all you really need. I don't really, outside of like some thoughts that you may want to jot down here and there, I think technicals, that's all you really need, is just have all that down, and then you can track data that way. Yep. Simple. Everything really started changing when I began to journal trades. Before that, I would always think of, I'll do everything else but journal. I'll remember. But ever since journaling trades, winners are trackers, right? And everything else I've done in life, I've had a lot of success by being a tracker. So I was like, why am I not doing that? Right? Why am I not doing that in trading? So once I started doing that, it kind of helped me out a lot. Yeah, because if you do come back, right, close back below, then there's a high chance that we're coming down. Right, but if you remain above, there's really nothing there for me until we get above 46 here for buys. Yeah. Rafi in the gold vault.
While trading gold.
BRB. I'll be right.
Pretty gangster.
You know how it is.
We know the vibes.
Yo, what do you do this weekend, Johnny?
What did I do?
You go to the beach? Did you go to the beach? Please tell me you did.
Nah, bro, I didn't. I just chilled out. That's really it. I gotta go to the beach. So I'm going to the beach this summer. So I'll definitely make sure to send you a picture.
Why so much resistance, bro?
I don't know, bro. I mean, I'm not like that much of a beach person, you know, like I'm more of a lake person. So
Gotcha.
yeah, so I don't really go to the beach that much, but I always try to, you know, a couple times out of the year. So I'm
How
going
far do you live from the beach?
about like an hour, 50 minutes, I believe exactly.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, because I'm in Tampa too, you know, so it's not like right on the beach. So got some time, got some distance between me and the beach.
All right. So I thought you were like within
Like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
yeah, like bicycle ride or something.
Yeah.
Like I thought you were somewhere.
Yeah, nah.
All
If
right,
that
that's
was the
different.
case, then yeah. If that was the case, then I probably would be at the beach more often.
All right, no, that's why I keep asking you, you know, because I thought you were like, for example, like me, it's like down there, you know, so it's like
Yeah.
you just go. It doesn't take you that long, you know.
It's in like your backyard, right? Like kinda.
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes. Yeah.
That's fire. Yeah, when I go to the beach, I always like want to have like not necessarily like a beach house, but like I want the beach, like I want to be able to walk there. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
if I'm staying at like you know, some hotel, like I want the beach to be like in the backyard, you know.
It's a different vibe, man. When you have that, you know.
Oh hell
Feels
yeah.
so good. Yeah.
Yeah, I love taking a dive into like the salt water. I feel like my skin, it just clears up. I feel so good, you know, like after hitting up the beach.
Yeah.
Feels like it's healing me in a way.
My eyes be burning every time. I'm like, and then my hands have all salt water on them. I'm like,
Bro, the first time, we all remember our first time drinking salt water. Oh my God, in the ocean. That was trash.
You know what's the worst? Shave and go to the ocean.
Shave? Oh, really?
Really?
Yeah, bro. Like you have
Burns.
like let's say you get a haircut, like a fresh haircut, and then you shave your face and you go there, bro.
Sheesh.
Yeah, have fun with that.
Good luck.
They're gonna burn.
Good luck.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, Rafi. But besides, like outside of trading, didn't really do much this week. Just really chilled out, did some things on myself. In trading, I only took one trade this week, so
yeah,
pretty chill. It was a short week too. With Monday, having Monday off, so
yeah,
good week.
That's why it feels like it's already Friday. It's like time flew by.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Yeah.
Literally. Yeah, this week was a quick one. Can you use the template? Yeah, you guys can use the trading the journal here. So just put ! journal in the chat and it'll pop up, and then all you have to do is come up here to file, hit make a copy, and then you should be good to delete everything. And or you can follow my trades if you want, but if you want to use this for yourself, just hit file, make a copy, delete everything, and then you could start fresh canvas.
Each gold on up.
Do we live near Clearwater? Yeah, not too far.
Yeah, about an hour.
The Canadian Lakes. That would be awesome. I'll be there soon. I'll be there. How much is stop loss? Stop loss is
60 pips.
54 pips. Yeah, I would this would be a 1-to-1 or so. Yo, DJ scratches. You're like, my eyes. Damn. Yeah, yo, Florida meetup. Why don't we put something in the calendar, man? Let's put a date in the calendar for this.
Do it.
John's dipping out of Florida though for a couple months.
Yeah, so honestly, the time I'm coming back, the time I'm coming back to Florida though, it's gonna get really nice. So I think when I come back, that'd be perfect because the weather's gonna be like perfect at that time.
Are you heading back to New York for the summer?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna go to New York for the summer, change up my environment, my data sets, and yeah, vibe out there.
Vibe out.
Where in New
Hit
York?
up, in Rockland, North Rockland.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like 45 minutes outside of the city. So I'm right by the city.
Perfect location. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll probably hit up the Jersey Shore too this summer. I always like going up there, hitting up the boardwalk and stuff.
The boardwalk, getting those funnel cakes.
Getting them funnel cakes. Hell yeah. But
When you coming back to the States, Rafi? Anytime? Anything planned?
Yeah, we were thinking probably like Christmas again this year,
Nice.
like we talked about. But it's probably we're gonna probably be in Florida or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
bro, we need a link.
No,
You gotta come for the meetup. When we have the meetup, bro, you gotta pull up.
When is that gonna be? We should have one like Christmas one, like after Christmas or something.
Yeah, we haven't even.
If you guys
Nick
are in
hasn't
town,
decided.
yeah.
Well, Christmas in Florida? Or New York?
Nah, like a meetup,
Around in Florida or New York?
Oh, didn't know you were
Don't
gonna
matter.
have two of them.
Yeah, man. We're trying to
Oh,
put
yeah.
two together. Because we do have a lot of people
shoot.
from New York here. And I'm just
Oh.
trying to hit up a few restaurants in New York that I just miss right now. So,
Tell Nick, pull up with me. But yeah.
the best thing about New York is I would say like I enjoyed the weather, like the change of the weather. Like since I've been in Florida, you just been straight like either spring or summer. So I like fall. You know, fall is where you could rock some like nice shirts like these and nice hoodies, and you know, so you can switch up your fit in New York depending on like the season and switch your style up a little bit. New York people are very into their fits, into their style and all that stuff, so it's pretty cool. And then the food, you know, the food is fantastic.
Food's fire. Yeah.
Pizza, man, pizza.
Bro, the gyros or gyros or whatever out there, bro, they're next level.
Yeah. 9:30 is here. Yes, it is.
You kept your cell stop, Nick?
I still got them. Yeah, I still got them because we are still pretty much rejecting these areas. We never closed above, so yeah. You may see a decent push down here. Or 9:30 will just blast through this, excuse me, these highs here. And that's fine too. I don't want buys here anyway. I want to take buys above 46. So we'll see what happens.
Andrew knows the vibes. Hell yeah.
Might even think about moving it. Yeah, I mean, the bacon, egg, and cheese, I mean, come on.
What'd you say? You might think about what?
Oh, I was thinking about maybe moving the entry up, but I think I'll leave it where it's at.
Yeah, because I'm assuming we're going to start creating resistance here at some point.
Potentially. Until we really break that high, I'm still, you know, anticipating that this may come down. Yeah, bacon, egg, and cheese, man. Can't beat it.
Chill, bro. Don't even remind me.
That push right there also activates all the buyers that weren't in. So if this does decide to go down now, it should go down hard because you got all active buyers now right here. I want to do one in the UK. I think we got more people out in the UK than anything.
Dude, facts.
The golf bug is serious, ain't it? Nah. Why would you say that? I'm only going to play 18 holes by myself today. Not at all. Pre-New York. Yeah.
Addicted. That brother stalled.
No, why would you say that? I've only spent about $1,000 on golf stuff this month. No big deal. No, just a little hobby. Weekend hobby, you know.
Feel you. Feel you. News at 10 is whack.
Hooked. We're hooked.
It's like crack.
I'm hooked. Ever since that first swing of the club. Wow.
First good hit ball.
Follow your heart. I'm just following my heart, man. All right, I'm getting ready to delete these if we get another push up, and then I'll just wait. TT golf, yeah, I like that. Yeah, that does mean a meetup. Any
Yeah,
excuse will do.
We should definitely get that date though out there because I want to know too. For the meetup.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. If it's New York, it's got to be during the warm weather. If it's Florida, it's got to be during the winter so we can enjoy ourselves. Unless you guys want to do like some water activity stuff.
Down, bro. I'm down for whatever. I know chat needs to plan it too. Yeah, Stephen B.
Yeah. Where's my account in terms of percentages? I'm gonna share my account with you guys tomorrow on the last day of the month. So it's looking really good. Hopefully I don't blow it here today. You down for water activities? Let's go. Go to Greenwich Peninsula golf range. Oh, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. Yeah, we're struggling here. We're struggling to come down. We're struggling to come down. We're struggling to go up. This is basically your choppy range here.
Those buys too. If anyone's curious, like if those were good buys, like I don't know, just wasn't good.
Yeah,
Didn't like it.
It wasn't good for me for simple reasons. I mean, 3 simple reasons. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there you go. That there exactly.
Yeah, but above there, I got one good reason to get in. 190 pip good reason, right? This range from this purple line to that next yellow line is 90 pips of clean range. So I'd much rather put my money on the line, my hard-earned money and investment on the line where things are a bit cleaner. Just a bit.
100%.
Not the best price action today. It's really not. And we said that in the beginning. We said that on the in the morning breakdown that today really is a bit of choppy price action. So bear with it. It's okay. Gold's been good to us. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this and we'll just kind of reevaluate here in a sec.
Goldie.
All right, chat, I've officially deleted. Oh my god. No. We're in the chop. Buys aren't bad, but you know, those are the 3 reasons I'm not in these buys. Staying out of the chop. Out to the chopper. Hey, who's new here? Anybody new? I would say in the last, in May. Anybody new? New people? Right now, our squad has been, honestly, I feel like we are, it's like, you know when a team plays together season after season? I feel like we just got that chemistry going now, man. We got chemistry.
Do, I guess.
I'm a newbie. Oh, let's go. Stop. Look at you guys. I'm from last May. Oh my god. WA George VDM just celebrated his 1-year birthday here with the squad. How many of you guys been 1 year? You guys a one-year-old TTE member yet? Newbie here. Welcome Nina. Welcome all everyone who's new.
That's dope that you guys know like the first stream you guys watched. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, really. Gonna be in year in June. Nice. 2 months short from 1 year. PM Magnifico. Let's go, bro.
Nice.
Been here from April last year. Yes, yes. Solid. 13 months old. W. Hakuna Matata, my friend. Amen. Goldbusters. Yeah, Goldbusters been here for a while. Coach Carter. Completed 1 year in May. Nice, AJ. Been here since tomorrow. And then I tied up my... Yeah. 1 year on June 8th. Word. Got a trade. Got a trade's a legend. He really is.
Hell yeah. Got a trade. You're a G, bro.
Been here since the day your episode on the day trader dropped. Oh, nice. Oh, that's fire. How'd you guys find this channel? Was it from a podcast? Was it from a random like search on YouTube? Like, how'd you guys find us? Instagram? Curious. Been here since February. Yo, Sandman, you are a G, bro. Damn, you've been here since February? Last year? Wow.
Dude, he's been here from the start.
Yeah, I don't think there's been a time where I did not see Sandman. Sheesh. YouTube algorithm? Nice. Because of God, I found you. Amen, brother. You know what's funny? Almost every elite says that. The same thing. It's pretty cool. Recommended channels, nice. Some friends. Dope. Yeah, I'm working with one guy right now. Super cool. He lives like way out in South America. And he was like, yeah, I was bringing groceries out to someone's car, and he was talking about trading, talked about you, like that. It's crazy. The power of the internet is crazy. And yeah, started following me, and yeah, now we're working one-on-one together. Pretty cool. Raja's story. Oh, nice. God himself. Bro randomly popped on my YouTube a year ago. Let's go, Spence. You guys are probably, who is this kid? How many sessions do I trade? Just in the New York session. Oh, cyber tech traders. Yeah, Jai Trader in the house. What up, Jai Trader? YouTube search live Forex trading. Found you through Raja. Nice. Oh, look, Green found us by recommendation. Very awesome. W Green. If we didn't have Green, what would we do, man? What would we be doing? Z Gamer, yo, Z Gamer's an OG. Wow.
Z Gamer, another OG. Oh.
The Forex Beginner Podcast, nice, Keith. Divine Intervention, W. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool to kind of see where everyone's come from, how they got here. Podcast with Austin, nice.
What's good, Swift Jaden? What up, Wags?
Oh, can't sign up and make the. Okay, no worries. We'll email you today. Yeah, don't worry about the scheduling. If you can't schedule, it's totally fine. I got your email, so we'll email you, or if you want to email us at the time to email info@timetoeattrading.com, I'll get back to you and we'll put something on the calendar. Discovered you on the Forex Beginner podcast. Nice, with Calvin. Dope. I found you the day you brought Don Vo on the stream. Oh, nice. I forgot. I always forget about that. We had Don on the stream, man. What a G.
Word.
Oh, Swifty. The Lord led me to this stream. Amen. Amen. Stayed because of the prayer. Nice. I like it. Praise God, man. Awesome. I emailed there earlier. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll get back to your email. No Hakuna Matata, my friend. No worries. We'll get in touch with you. Random search. Nice. Ronky. I don't think I've ever seen your name here, Ronky. What up, Ronky? Why didn't I take buys? Just for these 3 reasons right here. Boom, boom, boom. I think I'd rather take my buys here above 46 today, and then you got nice clean range coming up. About almost 90 pip clean range there. This, I want you guys to push this up for me. Yeah, I want you guys to battle through it. Like, kind of like I'm going to take the hits on the impulse entries for you guys. I want you guys to take the potential hits on the way up for me and then get me up there. Right, Rafi?
Yep.
Rafi. Means no worries, baby. Pushing. Where's Uncle Scalp at? Pushing. Did I tell you guys I talked to Uncle Scalp? Yeah, man. Told him pull up. Pushing. I was like, you're a legend on the live stream, dude.
Where is he at now?
He's yeah, he just stopped trading, so he's like kind of back doing what I guess he was doing before.
Oh.
Yeah. So he just pretty much stopped trading. Back to the normal routine.
Yeah, Andrew, that's funny. You know the vibes.
Jermaine W.
Bro, will you see yourself stop trading?
Me?
Nah.
Not now. Nah.
Yeah.
Until the Lord's like, yo, stop trading and do this now, then I'm gonna just keep up, keep running.
Bro, to me, like trading is like a meditation. You know what I'm saying? It's like there's so much into it, It's like so much discovery, so much that happens there.
Yep.
It's like going to the gym. It's like, will you ever stop going to the gym?
Nope.
That's facts, bro.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like when you're trading for the right reasons. Now, if you're trading just because something else, then. But if you look at it from the other side, it's just like,
Yeah, I genuinely love
you'll
trading.
never stop learning,
Facts, bro.
Yeah.
hell yeah.
You'll never stop learning.
I love dissecting. I love talking about it. I love pretty much everything about it, to be honest. I like winning. I like losing. I like challenging myself. I like it all, man. I'm a big figure it out type of person, like I want to figure it out. So that's what helps me out in trading. I'm very scientific with it. You know what I mean? I want to dissect. Randomly popped because you stayed for the prayers. Yeah, amen. First week I listened to you. You told people to. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Nice, Brennan. Wow, that's cool. Beautiful, bro. Uncle Scalp was like an accountant. Yeah, he was like an accountant. The famous words of Uncle Scalp: max out your credit cards. And then hire me.
Yeah, I remember that.
To
And
help
then
you get out
they
of your
tried saying
situation.
I said that.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. You guys were trying to blame that on John, man. That just ain't, that ain't right.
I don't know. I didn't tell you to full margin your bank account. I just said go full-time trading.
Yeah. Yeah, trading is like golf, you know, it's a single man sport, and once you get a taste of it, I mean, it's really hard to like I told you guys, once I made that $350 on that AUD USD trade in Barnes and Noble, I looked at my wife, I said, we're doing this. And it was legit no turning back after that. Lost thousands of dollars after that, but that was the beginning of me really committing to this sport. Especially I was at that point, I was in this no man's land in terms of like what I wanted to do, because I had stopped doing some other businesses and I was just trying to figure things out. Made that 350. I said, yeah, we doing this. We doing it.
Once I knew that I could make money online wherever I was at any point, and just be able to do whatever I want, I was like, yeah, this is it, and not have to deal with no one. You know, I was like, bet. That's what drove it for me.
Yeah. What if Scalp was a secret kingpin? He might be. Y'all don't know Scalp like I know Scalp. That's amazing. That brings joy to my heart that a lot of you guys stayed because of just a simple prayer. You know, I think more people just need prayer, man. Prayer is so overlooked. Could you imagine you know when they joke about we have powers? Do you know we actually do have powers? Power of the Holy Spirit. Same power that raised Christ from the dead. That same power lives within you. You can heal people in that power. I've healed people. Well, not me, you know, but the power that worked through me. We've healed people. A lot of you guys won't believe this. I had this dude die right in front of me, laid hands on him, commanded him to get up, and he got up. That was a big testimony in my life. Dude, my man was blue, drug overdose. It was crazy. But, you know, also prayed over my wife, right? And then all of a sudden 3 kids come very, very quickly. There's a lot, man. A lot of laying hands on. My dad basically casted something out of my dad at one point, sickness, and now he's good.
That's crazy.
Now he's better than he ever was. He's pretty much better than he's ever been.
Hey,
Maverick had some challenges early on when he was first born. Prayed over him every single time. They had to help him out a little bit. We pray over him. They come back, better report. Pray over him, come back, better report. Pray over him, come back. Yeah, he's good now. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Perfectly good. So there's so much power in prayer, man. Really do encourage you guys to take that serious, because life and death is in the tongue. Yeah, you could lay hands on people, right? You have to understand that's, you know, one of the reasons for the cross, right, is that power can be within us as well. So take advantage, learn it, learn the game, read your Bible. How much I lost in trading? Probably roughly around 25-30 grand before I started to find like that consistency. So it was a bit steep, you know. It wasn't a couple bucks, but also could have been worse.
Very normal though.
You know, I'm gonna answer this one. You know, because this is something that I talk to a lot of people, and a lot of people say that, and especially because I'm working I'm working through something that I didn't know based on my programming. My dad was a compulsive gambler, and I didn't know that. I mean, I just literally just figured that out. Mm-hmm. And a lot of people say that, you know, trading is gambling, and trading is in the middle, right? If you treat it right, you're just being an investor, right? Everything in life is gambling. if you think about it. You take a job, it's a 50-50. You might get it, you might not, right? You get a business out, you're gambling. You don't know if it's gonna work out, right? So when it comes to trading, we have certain things that are on our favor, right? Basically, our education, our skills, and your experience. These things will give you certain edge. Then we have the mindset side of things, right? How you manage your emotions, how do you handle adversity, how do you handle failure? All of this stuff are on that side, right? When you take a trade, you have information based out of the data that you've collected, based out of your skill and what you know about the game. Because of that, that's not gambling. Now, if you do not manage your emotions and then you lose your composure and you try to get the money that you lost, now you go into the side of the gambling side, right? So trading is in the middle. It could be gambling if you don't know what you're doing, if you become emotional and follow that path, yeah, you're a gambler now. But if you follow your data, if you follow your skills, you follow the information and you keep studying and collecting data, it's just like everything else, you know? You're gonna win, you're gonna lose. That's simple.
Yep. Yeah, you gotta have edge, man. You gotta be that's why we talk a lot about being professional here. Very rarely do you hear us talking about money, money, money. We talk about professional system, responsibility, like these type of traits versus, you know, money, money, this and that. Like it can be a gamble, but you can also create edge and create a profession out of it. What are your views on trading? Seems frowned upon. Yeah, it seems frowned upon by religion, right? That's why I cannot stand religion, bro. It is the worst, right? The only reason, think about it, in the Bible, it doesn't say what there. If you look at what Jesus spoke about a lot, he did speak a lot about money, right? And again, what did he speak about? Like different responsibilities with money and how to use money and you know, all that stuff. So I think a lot of times religion gives you know, because remember, religion is tied in with the matrix, right? So the matrix runs the religion, not, you know, and they did it back in Christ's time as well, right? That's why Jesus was cleaning out the temples and braided up a big old cord and just started whipping dudes to get out of the temple, because these religious people were hypocrites, right? So I think going to the word will help you out, but when you begin to listen to religious people and their thoughts on it, they're like, all he cares about is money. Like, come on, bro. Like, so you gotta really go to the word, and I don't think there's anything wrong with trading, based upon what I've read from the word. Oh, all right. Let me not make any money. Sorry.
Yeah, and God inspires us to all be great because we got that power within us. So yeah, I don't see what's wrong with that.
I be telling the pastor sometimes, you need to, and the people at the church, I'm like, y'all need to get your ass out the pew and start getting in the game out here, right? You're just sitting here just making your own rules up. So it's time to actually read the word and do the word, right? Not just talk about it and kind of articulate it in a way where it helps you, but to really understand the word for what it is. That's why anytime we do Bible studies, it's always strictly about the word, right? We don't veer off of that scripture at all. Yeah, so we're just messing around here still, gang. No closures. There's a closure coming up in 3 minutes, so we'll see what happens at this close and go from there. When are the Bible studies coming back, man? I really want to do them. I'm really spending my own time with the Lord right now, just going deeper with the Lord, to be honest. And you know, I got a lot of family stuff too, just so I want to get back into it, but I think it's easier for me to make like pre-recorded videos and to say, hey, I'll be there at this time, just, you know, every single time right now. So that's what's going on. I got 3 little kids and gets crazy sometimes. Gets crazy over here sometimes.
Oh yeah, it does.
You do have to bear the cross, but that does not mean you have to struggle and live in poverty and be, you know, succumb to the matrix or the enemy's plan. So we got news coming in here at 10. Doesn't look bad, to be honest, right? These sells may actually play out depending on where this closure happens. But this is going to be a tough one here. Will you take trades? We'll see. We'll see. See how we do here on this closure. I like buys. I like buys above here. It looks pretty clean, but you've got some news coming in. You've been pumping on the 30-minute for quite some time. I know we can still continue up. I know that. But with news coming in, it gets a little tough. We'll see how the candle close. We got 1 minute for the candle to close here. So let's just wait, and then we'll see where we're at.
Dominic, what app are you talking about, brother? Yeet. Will we close with no top wick? Yes, we will. Yep.
Very interesting here. So we close with no top wick here. So nothing in terms of the buys. Let's see how the set that these may. We have clean traffic, right? But we got no top wick. So what do we know about candles with no top wick? Not very less likely chance we drive up here. What do we know also about what we see? There has not been a support now since NY open, right? So price has just been traveling up, and it could continue going up. But what can also happen here is that you may be getting a pullback soon, right? Might be getting a pullback. It's clean range, but no top wick for me, no entry. Time to gamble. Let's go.
Yeah, Dominic, that's what it's called, the Bible app.
The Bible. The Bible.
It's just the Bible on your phone.
Although I may not be a Christian, I'm slowly making that journey. Oh, nice. As soon as, yeah. Hey, look, you want to raise your level of consciousness? Go read the writings about Jesus of Nazareth, right? It's not even about this religious thing that we are so brainwashed, right? They're doing that for a reason. They're trying to keep us away from Christ, right? So if you begin to see Jesus for who he is and say screw the religion and screw what everyone else's opinion is of him, and ask him to reveal himself to you, I think you're going to be in for a great awakening, my friend. Yeah, so nothing here for me. Nothing. You got this 15-minute resistance there too. So it looks like we kind of try to tap into that and not doing much from there. No bottom wick either. I'm in green today, so I'm not risking. Nice. Yeah, I'm doing really good this month, so
Man.
I'm not. No need to force anything here.
Smart man, Daniel.
Here we go. Will we flip? There it is.
I like the sells, bro.
Me too.
Yeah.
Don't. The Children's International. Yeah, that is the best one, man. That's the one I started on. Right? When some of you guys know my story, I just wanted to get closer with the Lord. I just said, hey, I don't know how to do this thing, but I got 5 minutes every day. I'll read some scripture, and maybe you can talk to me in that time. And all that scripture was read throughout this children's Bible that I have that I'll give to Alea. And yeah, that's where the Lord met me, 5 minutes a day, and that right there turned into an incredible relationship. Yeah, I think I have it right here. This is it. It's the children's Bible. Yep. All right, man. This looks good. Price actually looks good to come down here. If we move up again, then I would potentially have an entry on the break of that low there. Dun, dun. Yeah, looks good. Maybe impulse, maybe another impulse here. We'll see. Dum, 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 dum. The next push should, if you break the low, it should give you a push on the next break. Risky trade here. Conditions are, more so in favor to go up, right? So you want to size in here accordingly. Make sure you understand what you're getting into here, and we'll see if we can get a break of the low and a push. Yeah, so the idea here is once we start breaking through these levels, probably going to go break even and then going to look to hold for about this support down here. But not activated yet. I may just hold long here because I'm already in profits on the month, and if I can get a bigger move out of this, that'd be great. It doesn't matter. All right, cool. So now you should see a push now that you broke the low again. This is a risky trade, keep in mind, and I'm gonna look to, this is basically my position here. So a little bit lower on the risk. We broke the low there, so if we continue to respect that high, that'd be awesome. And see if we can push down. Another impulse trade here. So like the fourth impulse trade in a row. Third. 1, 2, yeah, 3 in a row. So we've had a lot of impulse trades here this month. This week, I should say, right? Or this month, starting off on the 9th. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be a 10th impulse trade. Or this is the 10th impulse trade. Yeah, you have no top wick on this candle here as well. So remember, no top wick a lot of times will equal no range. Okay, let's let it do its thing. I'll be right back.
Yeah, it looks really good to go down. About to try salt and honey. Hey, good luck, bro. Let me know how it is. Yeah, facts, Stephen B. Gotta be grateful. Gotta be grateful. Yeah, it's all good, Felix. Give it some time. Give it some time to play out. It'd be good. The outcome's random anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I feel that, Silver Fox. I feel that. Yeah, as long as it doesn't break that high, you guys are chilling. Price can do whatever
John,
it
are
wants.
you on this or no?
No, I'm not. I'm still sample sizing these type of positions, but
Yeah.
I'm getting good feelings with them. What about you?
Nah.
Yeah. It makes a lot of sense. It's just something I haven't done. You know, I've been just so programmed to just follow my playbook that I just need to sample size it. But like Rafi, it makes a lot of sense from a technical standpoint.
Yeah. Now, what if it breaks its own high?
If it breaks on high, then the trade's invalid, I guess you could say.
Do you think it'll keep going up, or? That's what
Yeah.
I want to see. If it breaks the high, and then drops.
It
It is
definitely
very interesting.
Yeah. I mean, it definitely could go up, but with no top wick, like, makes the probabilities less likely for it to happen.
Right. I feel like today gold did something similar like that. It had where was it? Like was it today or yesterday that I saw no top wick or no bottom wick and kept going?
Yeah, it happens. Yeah.
Yeah.
What I've seen with these types of trades is like we'll come 3 pips away from stops and be chilling and continue on like we kind of just did. So yeah, it's definitely invalid if it breaks that high.
What up, Pablo? What's good? What's good? How you doing?
Yeah, Dean, let's go.
Yeah, I would advise most of you guys to stay out. These are more like, you know, more risky trades, but they make sense.
And it's like, even though I know, like, all right, yeah, there's a very good chance it goes down. Like, just because I don't have any data, like, I'm still gonna be a professional about it, you know, and just go about my business, collect the data, and then once I have some data on it, then I could do something with it, you know.
Exactly. Exactly.
I'm gonna wait on the 15 confirmation, Nick.
Nice. Do it. Yeah, because the playbook position will probably come now. If you can get a closure below, that would be best, and that's where you get a playbook position. But until then, it's still a riskier impulse, you know, type of entry. Don't short. I have shorted. I have shorted.
Don't take that trade, bro.
Random outcome. Random outcome.
Yeah.
Let's see. God brought us all together. W. I dig that. I dig that. Options, yeah. Just let it play. Just let it play. Might be a winner, might be a loser. Who knows? Who knows? This is our risky area here now, right? So you want to see price push through this level basically break its lows and kind of get through here. If you can get through here, then we've got a pretty clean move coming down towards like 43, I would say.
Yeah, I'm starting to see like these are the types of moves too, like where the confirmation like I'm waiting for on the 15, I may not get it, you know, because these types of moves are likely to just fill the range like within that span of time you're in it.
Yeah. Yep. So we tapped into that level, which I did kind of want to go break even at, but I'm not going to. I'm totally cool with this risk. I want to see if we can kind of push through there, because I would have hit break even there, right? So don't want to close anything just yet. Just want to give this thing time to do its thing, right? I know that there's no top wick on that previous candle. There's a high chance we'll continue down. If we can get a closure below in 1 minute, that would be even better, but we'll see what happens. Stop losses for babies.
Well, that'll be great. If it closes exactly like this, that'll be great for you, great for me. Be lovely.
Yeah, I think the best closure would actually be like this. If we can close bearish like that, then I think that'd be good for the next candles to come down. But there's no guarantee of that, so just strap in and hold on tight. Be great for me, great for you, great for everyone. What a deal. W. Oh, nice, Joseph. W, man. W. $20 seconds for this candle to close here. Getting a closure. Let's get the best closure that we ever seen. Closure. Did a quick scalp. Nice. What was it? Maybe 14 pips? 14 pips-ish. What do we got here? Anything coming in news? I think we have, what time is it? 10:15? We got 10:30 natural gas storage here coming in. Natural gas. We need a Nick and Connor collab. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, the up guy? Oh, Connor Price. How you doing?
Forrest Frank.
We got Forrest Frank to pop on the stream. Yeah, that'd be funny. Imagine. Yeah, so being that we didn't close below, this could easily begin to play back up in this range here. So we really want to see price break the lows and then kind of push through this zone here. I understood that this would be the zone that we could potentially reject off of, but didn't want to micromanage this trade here. Just gonna let it run. If it hits stops, it hits stops. Throw a bit of AB Mike in there. A little bit of AB. Just Mike.
Thanks.
Oh, McGregor?
AB Mike, what's good? Good AB Mike.
Imagine. Conor McGregor on the stream.
Bro, I'm tight. I'm not going to be with you boys for the McGregor fight.
Oh, you want to go to New York? Do your thing.
Hold up.
Have fun watching the McGregor fight with your girlfriend.
You're funny. You too, bro. Have fun watching the fight with your girl.
We'll miss you on the boys' night, bro. Oh man.
That's funny.
Yeah, we got some news coming in here too. Coming in hot.
Dude, I really wanted that 15 to close below.
Yeah, me too. Let's see here. What's the Conor McGregor play? Should bring out a new play. It's the McGregor play. The when you break your own leg. There you go. When you break your own leg, that's the Conor McGregor play. All right. Any more questions? What's good? Where'd y'all go? We get in a trade, and all of a sudden it becomes like a ghost town in chat.
Dude, everyone's on the edge of their seat right now watching this trade here.
That's funny. If your neck muscles are tightening up right now, you're over risking. If you had to run and go grab some deep breaths, you're probably over risking.
Yeah.
What do you write down in your journal every morning?
All jokes.
All jokes. No jokes. No jokes.
You're gonna answer that question?
Yeah. So in the morning, I write down 5 things I'm grateful for currently in life for that day and that moment. I write down my goal from a financial standpoint. So I write, I'm so happy and grateful now that blah, blah, blah flows effortlessly into my bank account, right? And then I just journal like the future. I'll start journaling like, you know, things that I want in the future as if they're happening, and I'm just writing it as if, man, I'm enjoying this right now. Am I going full risk or I'm going half risk on this. This is an impulse entry, so this is a lower risk trade here. Quakers got their fingertips on the keyboards. Are the Quakers going to get a chance to quake? We will find out in the next 10 minutes. Or the next 2 minutes. Holy.
Come on,
let's see
stop
the 4
right
hour.
there.
4
Drop
hour.
down.
Where are you going? All right, we're back up in this range here. Where are my stops at? My stops are a little higher here. So I got my stop sitting above like these wicks over here to the left. We'll see what happens. We'll see what my stop is sitting like right here. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Calm
Bro, no
down.
topic.
Calm
You're
down,
supposed to
Goldie.
go freaking down.
No top wick on this candle, Gold. Remember. Quit playing. Would you say the Holy Spirit has helped you with your knowledge on the charts? I think the Holy Spirit has just helped me with my knowledge, you know, in general. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding. And, you know, that's helped me, I guess, stay composed here.
Good stops, bro.
Gold's forgetting the rules? Nah, Gold don't forget the rules. Come on, don't forget the rules, Gold. Grab a Snickers. Chat, tell Gold grab a Snickers, man. You're not acting his normal self.
It really isn't.
Oh, Lele's up too. Hopefully Lele pushes price down here. It's Lele time. Will it work for
That
us
was smart
or
of
against
you.
us?
That was smart of you to move your stops.
No, I never moved them. That's where I put them
Oh.
originally.
Oh.
Yeah. Follow the playbook. Pay the fee, Gold. Good entry right now? No. Definitely not.
There is no entry. Tomra, why does that chocolate bar look really good? That emoji chocolate bar.
Word. Let me get a piece. Get a piece of chocolate. Yeah, oh my god, I just noticed that. Grab a Snickers, Gold. Thanks for the Snickers there. Down, boy, down. Let's see what the lower time frames are looking like here. 5 close with no top wick. Let's get down to the 1 minute here. The nitty gritty. Come on, 1 minute drive. 1 minute celery play here. Let's go.
Honestly, you should be good.
Yeah, we pushed up a little higher than I wanted us to, but it's okay. $30-minute resistance at 53. 53. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we don't want to come up that high here. We want this candle, so we want that clean range is there, but we want this candle to kind of, you know, stop the party, right? Stop the party on the way up and then begin to bring price back down. So we'll see if that candle can work for us here today. There you go, AB Mike. Listen to the signs. Listen to the signs.
Maybe, mate, that's funny.
I just blew my demo account. Any advice? Yeah, keep trading demo.
Yeah.
Keep trading demo for right now.
Damn.
Guess
That's
there's no
harsh.
crumble cookies for the kids this weekend? No. Hey, there's still tomorrow, bro.
Not for the kids, but for the adults. You already know. Nobody knows nothing.
I'm staying away from crumble, man.
God,
Those hits that we had the other day, that was good enough for me.
facts, bro. Man down.
Man down, man down. Gotta go. All right, man. See you, Daniel. Later, bro.
Peace, Daniel.
See you, brother.
Later, Gator. Have a great day.
Come on, bleed for the boy.
Yeah, there's no so if you're trading demo, just start another demo, right? If you blew that account, start another demo account and see how you do on this one. Just focus on that data collection, man. Collect data, collect data, collect data. Later, purpose. Later, bro.
Peace, bro.
Tomorrow's a new day. Tough, very, very tough price action here today, chat. Very tough price action. Yeah, if you guys didn't, you know, whatever, if you felt like you weren't understanding much of the charts today, it's a really rough day here.
It really is.
Come on, Goldie, you can do it.
Goldie.
You're better
I
than
think
that,
you're
honey.
gonna be good, bro.
Hey, either way, I'm gonna be good, brother. Either way.
Yeah.
Whether this thing goes to the top of that red box or the bottom of that green one, either way, I got a 18-hole game by myself today, and we are good.
That's fact, bro.
We Gucci. Later,
Gucci.
scratches. Everyone's
Peace,
calling
Dominic.
it a day. All right, later, Dominic. Later, scratches. Y'all just gonna leave me here?
Yeah,
Just
it's
gonna
already
leave me here?
10:30. Wow.
Where?
Day's just starting, y'all. That
So,
for
John, what are you doing today? What are you doing today?
I thought you guys wanted to stream till 11, man.
Yo, Robbie. That shit's funny as hell.
I know, it's just so predictable. It's like, okay, you already know he wants to leave.
Yeah, you already know.
John doesn't want to get out of here, does he?
Yeah, nah, bro. I just need to get a trade in.
Let's go. Take this trade right here. Get in on the break of the
Yeah,
lows.
just press a button.
You can do it.
Wish.
What's your favorite color? green or red?
Yo, facts, red. So, let's
There you go.
Let's
Go
run
with it.
Facts. Go all in, y'all.
Yeah. Where can we give the trade a second chance? I would say on the break of that 15 low, or you know what? Let me take that back. Well, I would wait for a closure below. Yeah, so if you get if this 30 closes below like this, then I would say now you have an opportunity to give this idea a second chance for price to continue moving down. But after taking like an L, I would most definitely wait for a closure at this point. Because you can break the 15 lows and then still, you know, not close below there. Yeah, we got a minute 50 left here.
Yeah, I'm waiting on the 30.
Just press a button. Word. Press a button. Any button.
I wish.
Won my paper trade. Lost my live. Sounds about right. Sounds about right.
Sounds 100% accurate.
Welcome to trading.
Facts.
Sometimes you gotta sit there and scratch your head and be like, do I really want to do this? Do I really want to be a trader?
That's what I said, and then I was like, wait, I don't have a backup plan. I have to do this.
How could you access the journal? Thanks, Rob Trades. Yeah, just click that, go to File, make a copy, and then you should be good to use that journal. Good things take time. That's right, Jokes. W, man. 1 year in. Congrats. You survived the 1 year mark. Some of you guys are going to come to the realization, you're going to be like, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? All right. And then you go back to your old profession. Leave this to the big risk takers, man. This you got to be a risk taker.
Yeah,
A
you gotta be, bro.
responsible risk taker.
Literally, you gotta be. Don't let fear fail you. Come
Right,
on.
Green? Tell him, Green.
Screw fear.
All right, yeah, we're going to close up super doji. The next candle can go either way, to be honest. It can go either way. Again, I'm cool with my I'm cool with my risk here. I'm in really big in profits on the month, so I don't care whether this trade's a winner or a loser. But I am expecting price to continue down here, man, if we can get it. This no top wick is a sign that you may not move up anymore, and I'm just going to hang on. Tell him, Green. Don't quit your job, man.
Whoever told me to not quit my job, I would have been like, screw out of here.
Let's be like, you know what? I quit just because you said that. Gonna keep my job for as long as I can. Yeah, it's a smart idea.
As long as you're happy, bro. Chilling.
Yeah. I'm not happy as to how you answered a question. When you take a trade, you should make it open. I'm not sure what you mean there. Your answer not right. Yeah, I'm not sure. It probably isn't right. Yeah, but I probably give a lot of answers that aren't right. Where could I get the journal? Exclamation point journal. Type it in the chat. Doji candle, what's that criteria? Yeah, so you got a doji candle, right? So now look, we are shorting the market. So I like that doji after a candle close with no top wick. But now, I mean, the next candle could really go either way here because there's really no actual decision made on that doji. So it wasn't like a strong bullish candle. It wasn't a strong bearish candle. It's just a candle that kind of opened up and didn't do much. I do like that it's after a candle with no top wick. So I'm just going to hang on here. Yeah, we may not even do much. We may just kind of range a bit. We have some news coming in, so that could begin to throw price around a little bit too. Around what time do I look at charts again? After the live stream, I pretty much just look at them up until like 11, 11:30, and that's it. If I'm on the desk and I see something really good, like, then I'll look to take it, but Yeah, I don't do too much trading after the stream. Yeah, I did tell you. I said if we break the low, I'm going short on gold. So that's it. If you heard it, you heard it. If not, then you missed it. What do you want me to do? Right? I'm not here to call trades out for you. I'm here to educate you in the way that I see the markets. You know, if you want to take the trade, you know what you're doing, you should take the trade. So I'm not here to be like, attention, attention, everyone. Hello, is everyone listening to me? I am going to get into a sell here. Put all your money on my call so I could have all the pressure on me, right? That's not what we do here. Maybe we used to do that, but we don't do that anymore, right? My goal is to help educate you guys in the mentality and in your approach from technicals to see things, you know, on your own, right? So, yeah. We'll call the trades, but it's not going to be like, yo, attention, attention, you know, everyone get in. Because then when it loses, then you got people like, yeah, it gets too crazy, man. I don't want to hear you guys cry. All right, I want to see you guys smile.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to get volume to come in here. We need some volume in here.
I think it still looks good.
The MT5 sound,
I
man.
think I might head off though. How long you're
No
just gonna
doubt.
stream?
Yeah, I'll be chilling. I'm just gonna chill until we get probably a result on this trade. We may be here for a long time here today.
Yeah, see you guys. I'll hop in around 2 o'clock then. See how you're doing.
Yeah, we may consolidate here for a little bit.
Yeah.
Attention, Kmart shoppers. Yeah, I might have to miss my tea time here. Who knows? Psych.
When's your tea time?
1. 24-hour stream. We'll keep the stream going.
All right, bet boys. Well, I'm gonna head out of
All
here.
right, brother. Good to see you.
All right, man.
Good to
Have
see
a
you
great
too,
day,
Rafi.
brother.
Yes,
Catch
sir.
you
You
later,
as well.
Gator.
Nick, I'll talk to you later,
Talk to you
bro.
later, yeah?
All right, brother.
Yep.
See
Peace,
ya.
boys. Peace, chat. Have a blessed day.
Peace.
Peace.
Do I think experience is required in the elite? No. Actually, the less experience you have, the easier it's gonna be. Right? When traders come in with a lot of experience, I have a whole nother job on my hand, which is to help them rewire the brain to forget about all the other stuff that they know, right? So I think the people who get out the gate and have the success the quickest are the guys that start with a clean, fresh slate, and I don't have to go in and, you know, get the rest of the garbage out of their, not garbage, but the rest of the other ideas out of their brain for them to kind of learn this one properly. So the least amount of experience, in my opinion, the better.
Yeah, and if you're very experienced and you're gonna go to the elite, just go out there with an open mind, you know? Just go out there that this is completely new and what you already heard doesn't serve you anymore. Like you truly need to think that way, because that's what happened to me, you know, like coming from smart money concepts into this kind of trading. It was very hard for, you know, for through 2 or 3 months, like, because I was still doing smart money analysis. So the best thing is gonna be put that aside. That doesn't serve you anymore. Focus on this. Think about it like this way, because it's gonna be a lot easier for you to move forward.
Yeah, I agree. And if you are really experienced, like we have some traders that come into the elite program that are good traders, but they just need some counsel. You know, they just need some back and forth. What they just need someone to talk to, right? To be honest, and have some counsel, some direction, some feedback. You know, I think, and that's one of the reasons we're creating some of these badges, to create that inner circle, like accountability type of crew. So yeah, I mean, experience, non-experience really makes no difference. But yeah, you're right, Rafi. You know, you got to rewire that brain.
Yeah, consciously, you need to make that effort, because if you go into meeting Nick, listening to him talk, but you're thinking about what you've done, it's not gonna work, because the ego is gonna put resistance. It doesn't like changes. So when you make that conscious effort that, oh wow, this is interesting, I want to go and learn about this concept. Yeah. The ego kind of like, you know, puts its heads down, and there's not so much resistance, and that's what you want to do. You want to learn with the less amount of resistance that you can have. Yeah.
Bingo. I was like that too. I had a different strategy in mind, and I would try and mix the two here, and it would just confuse me even more. So like, you gotta, one of the big things that I try and help them do is like, yo, you gotta pick a side here, right? Like, you're into this style makes sense for you. It's time to leave all that behind, and, you know, really lock in and commit to this system, so that way you can get the probability to play out for you. Yeah, we have mentorship. I think we only have one more spot left for June, but if you come to the timetoeattrading.com, you'll see all the mentorship there. Yeah, 4-week one-on-one program. One spot left, I believe. Lele's up, I think. Yeah, she needs to see if she can push this price down for us. Were you in DTI and Lambo Raul? Lambo Raul, that was the first course I ever bought. I only bought like 3 courses, and his was the first one ever.
Yeah, that was my second one. I started with Gorilla Trading.
Oh, no.
And then I went to DTI.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're from the UK. Yeah.
Gorilla. Hey, I'll be right back. One sec.
Was it helpful? I'm not gonna say that it was not. I'm not gonna say that it wasn't helpful. I mean, that was at the very beginning of my stage, so I was just learning, and I was coming in from Gorilla, which Gorilla, they're like price action trend traders. So it was a little different, and I was still kind of learning everything. And when I went to, you know, Lambo Raul stuff, his community, it was fairly new as well. But didn't like it, didn't feel like it was my style, and that's when I joined Smart Money Concepts. So I guess, you know, it worked for some people. I'm not gonna say that it wasn't helpful for me, because I didn't really try it long enough, you know. Bro, all strategies work, you know. That's the thing that a lot of people say, that CTI or whatever it is, you know. Every strategy works. What doesn't work with the strategy is the trader. So you need to find a strategy that speaks to you. Like I can trade smart money. Like I still have my setups, and I can still get on that because I know what it is that I'm looking for. But it's not my style, you know what I'm saying? So like I identify with this style a little better, and it speaks to me for my lifetime, what I do. So, you know, I would say for you, find something that speaks to you, to your lifestyle, and that something that you can do in the long run. Because at the end of the day, that's what you want to do, right? Stick to it to the long run. So just find a strategy that speaks to you, and then get to know yourself better. Because that's going to be the key. You know, this game is going to pull all your weaknesses out to the light. And when you can't pick that up, you're going to struggle. So pick something that speaks to you, get to know yourself, work on your psychology, and then just let time do its thing.
Yep, time is our edge, man. All right, nice. Starting to break through those lows here now. This is the area which we need to push through right here. Later, Wags. Have a great day, man. Later, dude. Later. All right, I'm gonna go break even here. Or actually, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna go break even on this trade. So we'll see if it can run now. So BE on the trade. We broke those previous candle lows. So let's see if we can get her to run. You could do it. You could do it, gold. Oh, rejection. Yeah, it's gonna be our trouble area right here. So I would expect to, if we don't start blasting through it, we may reject it. We may remain up here and, you know, do something like this, and then we gotta, you know, probably a move up here. So see if we can blast through this area.
You know what I'm gonna say about AB Mike asked a question here. You know, I don't know. I'm grateful that my journey has gone how it's gone, because I've done so many different ways of trading that because I've been working with traders now, I can understand them a little better. You know what I'm saying? So like I have a lot of guys that do smart money concepts. I have some other guys that are just doing trend lines, you know? So it's like being able to be so versatile and being able to like understand what people see and what people are looking for, it helps me understand them better. Which if I just took to one thing only, I don't know, you know, from the mental performance standpoint, because you got to understand people's way of thinking if you're going to help them with something like that, you know? So I don't know. I can't really answer that. Yeah, because I feel like there's a reason why I didn't stick to one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true. All right, chat. I'm probably gonna close this trade here. It's getting late, so I'm gonna close the trade up there. About 15 pips, I would say 15 pips or so, and that'll do it. Yeah, that'll do it. Because if we don't push through here, like right now, we broke those lows twice. We should have made a move, right? So something tells me that this area right here could be holding us up, and the next candle may very well plant like a support, right? Support right here for price to stay above this overall range and then continue driving up to fill that wick. So yeah, close it up 15 pips. We'll take it. Yeah. Would have liked to get more out of that, but that's okay. That's okay. Small win. See, we'll drive now.
Hey, confirmation, it played out. What you were looking at, it played out.
Yeah, it played out. It took a little bit of time, but eventually played out. We keep rejecting this zone here, so this is scaring me a little bit. Little bit. And you never closed below there. So the 15-minute close, but we remained above. Right? We remained above there, so. Yeah, man. So I think that's going to do it for me today. Late trade, but yeah, I think that'll do it. Until you get a closure below now on the 15, I would say there's no new entries there. So you got to wait for this candle to close below, right? If you can close below, then there may be some new opportunities for price to keep going down, especially into this like 2344 zone. If not, right? If not, then you'll get a support to plant. And if you get that support to plant here, then most likely you will you'll make your way back up towards 51, and there may be a buying opportunity there. I like that better on the 30-minute time frame than the 15, right? So waiting for this candle to close and then waiting for the next one to, right, maybe close back above. Now you've got a pretty good move coming back up. So that's it, man. What do you think, Rafi?
Yo, sounds good, brother. You got your W. Tomorrow is another day. Let's get it.
We'll take it. All right, cool. All right, chat.
All right, brother.
Did you guys close?
Thank you for
Rafi,
having me.
You didn't take that, right?
No.
All right, cool.
I'm still kind of like learning it.
Yeah. You coming back tomorrow, or are you busy tomorrow?
Yeah. No. I'm gonna come in for a bit, but then based on that call, if we're on, then I'll hop on early. So,
right,
but
cool.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Okie dokie, my man.
All right, brother. Well, have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Chat.
Yes, sir.
See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe.
Later, Rafi.
Peace.
All right, chat. Later. I gave you guys the scoop on what I'm looking for. Big 30-minute closure coming up. So hang tight 11 minutes if you want to continue trading today. A closure below the range would be sufficient. And anything above the range, just wait for support, and then you may track back towards like 2350. If you do close below, I could definitely see 2344 and maybe even 2340 coming in. So that's what I would look out for if you guys are still looking to trade. But that's going to be it for me today. I hope you guys have a blessed one. Mod Squad, thanks for pulling up. We got a new mod tomorrow, so don't miss it. We're going to try and introduce them early in the stream, so that way they can have the wrench the whole stream. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. God is so good. Hope he's good to you guys today. Love y'all. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey, check.
Peace.
Yeah.
Later, Gators.
Whoa.
W's on the way out.
If there's one thing
I'm
I know.
gone.
Hey, yeah. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. Okay, some days be the best. Some days be the worst. Some days stay on replay. Other days they don't. Oh well, okay. Guess what you woke up today? Put a big smile on your face. 'Cause one thing ain't never gonna change. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. It ain't one thing he can't do. Took my old ways, got me feeling brand new. Oh, hey, yo, Caleb, make sure that it's understood.
Okay, for the summertime, how you been too good? Popped out that gray, like I popped up that hood. Popped out that chain, when I popped out that book. Say that one name, watch a demon get shook. Hopped out that pot and we let him cook. Lucy need a chill cause he don't run this, my dog. You can see we living in abundance, my dog. Thighs from the snake, had to punch it, my dog. Had to punch it, my dog. God is good, God is great, thank you for this play. Amen. Pray the Lord, take my soul to the heaven gate. Take it, I would do the race like I caught a case. When I ain't got nothing left, you a call away.
God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good.